Martin here. I got a little Ableton trick that I want to show you. I call it playing the rain. I use it mainly for ambient music, but you can use it for anything. It's called playing the rain because it looks kind of like falling matrix rain on the Launchpad. I use a session view to jump between clips and sort of remix and make generative ambient music. Anyway, let's start with some sound. Got a loop here. Anyway, so you can see that loop there. I gotta change that color. Can't live with that color, I'm sorry. The trick is this. You have a clip and you go into your launch modes. And there you select next. And then repeat rate. I quite like a fast repeat rate here. And yeah, the trick also here is to select just a bit of the audio and then take it there, duplicate it, move it along, and duplicate it, move it along here, and duplicate it, move it along, and duplicate it, and so on, and so boring. But sometimes you gotta do the boring work first before the fun stuff can ensue. Okay, maybe it'll be a little bit more accurate, Martin. Anyway, let's select a completely different part. Probably a repetition of the loop there. And when you press play, it'll jump between the clips. Maybe. Yeah. And as you can see, it also happens on the Launchpad over here. And you can one thing you have to do is just select them all and then say the quantization is 16ths. That means that you can trigger it on the 16th notes. It'll keep time for you. Yes, and of course, Martin, you're saying that is an ambient mess. But let's smooth it out with more analog mess. I'm using the MoogRack delay here. It's on the Send 2 here. Let's do a high feedback rate and a fast delay. Nah, it's fun. More fun with a long repeat rate. Yeah, that's better. And then what can you do with that? Well, you can duplicate the whole shebang and select them. Hey, stop it. And give it another color so you can figure out what's going on here. And then transpose it down a fifth. And let's just continue going here. Change the color just cause. Go up a fifth. Yeah. Fifth always works. And then do it again. I'm sorry, I just have to do the colors. I can't live with these silly colors. This one will just go back there, but we will... What shall we do? Yeah, let's do an octave down. Right? And then change the repeat rate to slower. And also make them half bars. And then when we press... Can't go through the same effect all the way through. Let's throw them into some reverb here, and just the spring here, and then some ring mod. Let's just see how that sounds. on solo. I'd love to set an LFO up on that, but anyway, this is just for show-on purposes. Yeah, let's keep that. And anyway, now we can sort of play the whole shebang. We don't need that much. Use the Valhalla here. And we don't need the delay to be that long. Anyway, I digress. See how that sort of is both generative but playable. Yeah, hours of fun right there. And you can do it with beats, and you can do it with MIDI clips and whatever. It's all good fun. Anyway, I hope you found this trick useful, and if you click like and subscribe, I'll probably do some more of these. Have a good one.